Up and down, round and round, round and round. याद रहूं मैं तेरे साथ hand in hand. बन जा मेरी BF में तेरा तू मेरी जीत.
Now we have a dance performance for Gudikantalu by Deepthi and group.
చిన్నారి కళ్ళలోన వయ్యారి మైకం మెరిసే
Please we welcome the choreographer of the Little Kids. Please come on to the dais. We welcome the choreographer of the Little Kids. Just now we have experienced the wonderful dance. We would like to share the feelings.
Good morning to everyone, especially principal sir. Our process batch కొంచెం తగ్గాలి. So good morning to our principal sir and respective parents. So everyone and especially 5th and 6th class cooperate with us with beautiful songs, especially to 5th class. That's enough. ఫేర్వెల్ పార్టీ గురించి చివరిలో మాట్లాడుకుందాం.
Now we will have a speech by Ravika
from 10th class. Please come on to the dais.
Good morning to one and all, respected principal sir, my dear parents and friends and all the teachers. Today we have gathered here for celebrating farewell party. Thanks to my sars. First of all, thanks to my sars because they helped me a lot when I was disappointed in getting marks. They encouraged me a lot, mainly by Maths sir and Telugu sir. And next I would thanks to my principal sir because he always encouraged me when I get less marks. He personally motivate me, and he is the second father to me. This is the best school for 10th class because in this school when we are studying our principals are conducted many assessments and grand tests. They helped us writing SSC exams very easily, and digital classes also helped us very well. When we listened it, we remember all the lesson. And next, principals are motivated us very much, each and every student, even duller student also get motivated by principal sir. We have many motivated class. By this motivated class, we get motivation. This helped very much. Thank you.
What a nice speech by Dasharan sir, our Hindi teacher.
Celebrating the farewell party. So the mainly 9th class students. When the present 10th class students, it means they are giving, it means they are providing your all facilities. Because of your next is your 10th class. Here the who are completed 10th. So you're from a part, it's a very happiest moment. And next, from a other part, it's a sad moment. Why? Because now 10th class students, that means they have to leave. That means it's time to leave. So that's why we are celebrating here farewell party. So yeah, one of the happiest moment is that when they are going to higher studies, that when they are going to enter into the higher studies. And one more thing, that means they had here strong relationship with our school. There are so many students they are educating, that means they are studying here from nursery to 10th class. That means they are 13 years, that means they had the strong relationship with the school. That means it's the biggest relationship, 13 years means. And here so many students, that means they have educated here from 5th class or 6th or 4th, whatever it may be. So here the finally, here to mainly 10th class students, the who are completed. So the wherever you go, whatever your position, don't forget your parents, and yet secondly, don't forget your teachers, and next, finally, don't forget your friends. Because of these are three elements, these are three persons very, very important in our life. Because of here, without parents, we never. And next year, without teachers, it means we can't educate. And next year, without friends, it means we can't live. Because of here in the present days, so the friends are more important. Why? Because here, it means we can share our feelings with our friends. So this is my little message to 10th class students. అంటే మీరు ఏ పరిస్థితుల్లో ఉన్నా, ఏ హోదాలో ఉన్నా, ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా కానీ, అంటే మనకు జన్మనిచ్చినటువంటి మన తల్లిదండ్రుల్ని మర్చిపోకూడదు. ఎందుకంటే వారు లేకుండా మనం ఇక్కడ ఉండేవాళ్ళం కాదు మొదటగా. రెండవది వచ్చేసి మనకు విద్యను అందించినటువంటి మన గురువులను మర్చిపోకూడదు. ఇక మూడవది వచ్చేసి మనం ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలుగా ఈ స్కూల్లో కలిసి చదువుకుంటున్నాం. అంటే కొంతమంది నర్సరీ నుంచి 10th వరకు కూడా చదివిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. దాదాపు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు కలిసి చదువుకున్నందుకు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ను మీరు మర్చిపోకండి. ఒకవేళ ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు ఈ 3 విషయాలను మర్చిపోతారో, ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు అభ్యసించినటువంటి విద్య ఏదైతే ఉందో అదంతా కూడా వృధా. కాబట్టి ఫైనల్గా చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, నెక్స్ట్ హైయర్ స్టడీస్కి వెళ్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఒక మంచి ఫీల్డ్, ఒక మంచి కోర్సును మీరు ఎన్నుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజులలో కాంపిటీషన్ హెవీగా ఉంది. కాబట్టి మనం నార్మల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లోకి వెళ్తే ఫ్యూచర్లో మనకు ఎలాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉండవు. కాబట్టి టెక్నికల్ రూట్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఇంకా మెకానికల్ రూట్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఇంకా వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, ఏదైనా కానివ్వండి, ఒక మంచి రూట్లోకి వెళ్తే మనం తొందరగా జాబ్ పొందేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. వాటి మంచి కోర్సెస్ని ఎన్నుకోండి. అందరూ ఒక మంచి హోదాలో ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ నాకు అవకాశం ఇచ్చినటువంటి మీ అందరికీ, కరస్పాండెంట్ సార్ గారికి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir.
Respected Principal Sir, Chief Guest, to depart the 10th class students from the school and to went their higher studies. I have been studying in this school right from nursery. I was very proud of studying in this school from my school education. And the teachers are very encourageable and friendly and and they also encourage with us. We are also completed more than 160 assignments, and we are also encouraged by famous personalities like Pattabhiram and the calligraphy is also important for to succeed in the 10/10 in the final exams. My best teacher is Rajshekhar sir, math sir. He always says that content plus character is true education. With his teaching, we are very perfect in the maths, and we also written the exams very well up to 100% extent. I am very thankful to all the teachers and staff. Our teachers and staff are very qualified and dignified. I am very thankful to my principal sir because he will give moral and valuable education to his students. Miss Me is the best choice for the school education. Thank you.
పంచే ఆ పంచాక్షరిలో ఈ మదిలో